Hey guys, this is Joric and welcome back to my channel. And today's episode guys, stop muna tayo sa kainan and I'm going to show you something new about sa experience ko, and that is riding a BestBus. This video will be specially made for Davaoenos na hindi pa nakakasakay sa BestBus. Kasi especially ako, mahirap talaga sumakay sa BestBus. So I'm going to show you my experience riding a BestBus, and after that experience guys, I'm going to show you also anything about the Get Pass app, kung ano yung functions niya at kung paano siya gamitin. And with that, please don't forget to hit the like video, drop some comments for feedbacks and suggestion, share this video sa mahilig mag-travel, and subscribe and click that notification bell to be updated in our future adventure. And with that, intro!
So we're here at the BestBus Davao. So we're going to try and ride with it to experience kung ano yung feeling nasa BestBus. Follow me.
Distance from neighbors, and yet spiritually we find ourselves growing closer, and in ways we never expected.
About your local government unit and quickly access government-related transactions, such as submitting a travel authorization request for LGUs that require. Or go to the app menu and click the Get Pass icon. It'll load up the app and bring you to the sign-in page.
So we are here in SM Ecoland.
Visit www.stopcrowd.com.ph.
Dito kami sa bus stop ng SM
through an act of faith.
And then bago kayo makapasok, makaride ang libre, you need to Get Pass app.
You'll be able to call on the police, the fire department, or other emergency services. The upper right button
Hey sa BestBus na pwede nating sakyan, you can also apply or check the requirements if you're going to travel outside Davao or kung saan city man kung saan kayo city nag-operate ang BestBus. So since di natin to kailangan, let's go ahead and close this and just click this OK. So let's go into explore now the BestBus app. So first is this home screen. This is the home screen itself. Then the next one is the account. So nandito yung pangalan ko, email address. You can also upload your ID here if needed in the future kasi kailangan yan pag fully operational na yung BestBus. There's also the option to change your password for security preferences. And then let's go to org. Okay, this page naman is the page where you can apply for travel authorization, visit survey, and etc. So far, wala pa naman. No event. And then, click more. So, this page, you can see contact us, data privacy, terms and condition, transaction history, log out. So, you can, if you don't want to keep your application na nakalog in, you can go here in this page to log out. Then, let's go to the lower side. This is the ride. So, active trips, routes, scheduled delivery. You can check this. Ayan. Makikita natin kung saan ang currently active na nagbibiyahe na BestBus. So, aside sa Davao, meron din sa EDSA, Manila, and sa City Hall. So, yeah. And then, balik tayo. Routes. So, let's check the routes kung anong available. Ayan. Meron din sa Cebu, Davao, ayan, medyo marami na siya. So, if you can see, BestBus is currently active sa 3 major cities sa Philippines, which is Manila, Davao, and Cebu. Okay, schedule. Wala pang schedule, okay. The delivery, wala. So, let's go now to contacts. Contacts, wala pa. Coming soon pa yan. Fun. Okay, dito naman is you can play bingo. All you need to do is you just need to provide your personal information para pag nanalo kayo, you can claim the prize. So since di tayo maglalaro, let's quit the game. And then let's go to stream. Okay, eto meron siyang mga information na pwede nyo i-view. I think di ko pa siya na-try, but let's try this. Get Philippines. Wala siya. Okay, close na natin to. Okay, next one is this points. Ayan, so once fully activated na yung app or yung bus, you can Each time na magagasto kayo using the GetPass app, you can earn points. And then next page is the pass. This is the important part of the application, the new pass. So etong page na to, ito yung isa-scan nyo pag sumakay kayo sa bus. So this QR code, etong QR code part na to, ito yung isa-scan nyo sa scanner na located sa entrance ng bus. Without this page, hindi kayo pwedeng sumakay at di kayo makababa. But normally, yan yung isang problema na nakikita ko. What if madlobat ka sa loob ng bus? But I was not able to ask it, but I think there's an alternative way, but soon. Okay? And then this one is the pera. So ito yung makikita, this page pala, ito yung makikita nyo kung magkano ang remaining balance nyo na nilagay nyo sa GetPass app nyo once fully operational na yung app at saka yung bus sa city nyo. So I think that's it guys. So I hope nakatulong and you can avail the BestBus app sa inyong city, especially sa Cebu and Manila. And dito naman sa Davao, if you want to ride sa bus, please secure the application para madali kayong makasakay at maka-avail ng free ride around the city. And yun na po yun guys, yung experience ko sa pagsakay ng BestBus at kung paano gamitin yung GetPass app. And very important thing para makasakay ng GetPass app guys is you need to wear your face mask, face shield, and the GetPass app. Without the GetPass app, you cannot ride the BestBus. So, download the app first before riding the bus para diretso-diretso na yung biyahe natin. And that's it for today guys. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yung vlog na to. And especially sa mga Davaoenyos na di pa nakakasakay sa BestBus. So intay-intay lang po natin. At syempre yung experience ko naman, di ko sinasadya na makasakay sa BestBus. Na timingan lang talaga. Naswertehan lang. So that's it guys. Again, this is Joric. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, drop some comments for feedbacks and suggestion, share this video sa mga hilig mag-travel, and subscribe for more adventures to come and click that notification bell to be updated in our future adventure. This is Rick. Have a great day. Bye!